California has over 400 public beaches. I'm not just randomly looking up facts about California. We're actually headed out to the Pair of Thieves office in LA for the first time this weekend. And I say we because I'm taking you guys along with me. We get to meet everybody in the Culver City office, hit the Pride event at Rocco's WeHo, and we're gonna sit down with the product team to find out the process behind making Pair of Thieves clothing. All right, now it's time to pack. All right, we are officially in Los Angeles. This is crazy. I've never been here before, but I can definitely get used to it. Tomorrow, we'll head out to Rocco's WeHo for the Pride celebration, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys there. All right, we're officially in the LA office. It's my first time here. It's pretty big and I haven't even seen all of it yet. We're about to meet the product team and get the inside scoop on how Pair of Thieves products come to be. But first,
Thieves check.
what POT gear do we have here?
It's the WeHo.
Someone passed the check. Anyone else? Thieves check?
I've been trained to do that.
Oh, let's go.
That's all I got right now.
I mean, you still passed the check though. You still passed the check.
I'm gonna get a shirt on for the next one.
No socks?
No socks. Dude, it's bad. I'm embarrassed.
A thieves check is what I've heard.
Thieves check. Let's
So
see
what are
what
we
you
wearing?
got on.
I got a t-shirt,
Yes.
obviously. Got underwear, obviously. Pair of Thieves.
Yeah, let's go.
I've got my no-show socks,
Woo.
obviously. And that is, I mean, what more can I do?
He's passed the check.
Passed the check.
I mean, I got these
Let's-
bad boys.
let's go.
All right, this looks good.
He's passing.
And that's all I can show right now.
I mean, that's all you need. One item passes the check.
Sure. I have a pair of these socks, underwear, and matter of fact, these shoes. We did this collaboration with this company that they look kind of like that.
Wow.
I just happen to be wearing them.
Those are sick.
My name is Brittany. I'm the merchandise manager, and today we are building out our Spring 23 Walmart pogs and assortments. This is a very raw format of what that will look like, but then we'll take it into this board to really get a better idea of what those styles will really look like on the floor.
All right, how is it going?
Good. How are you?
Doing pretty good. So you're currently working on a layout for Walmart?
Yes, I'm working on a POG, a planogram. So pretty much I'm taking ones that I've already set up with some skeletons, and then I'm filling it in with the pics that we have for our new hustle line.
Yeah. Hello.
How's it going, Allie?
I'm currently just working on like some of the finishing touches for all the artwork and all the prints, separating all the colors, just getting all the details correct so that when we send it off, they know what to do.
We're here with Autumn from the product team. She's going to walk us through some of the products here at POT.
So this kind of represents all of our Walmart, and then the rest of everything in here is what you'll see that we sell to pretty much everyone. It's on our website, that kind of stuff. So this is the bulk of what we do. This is all Target, from shirts to socks to underwear, as well as all of our lounge here.
Do you have a favorite collection so far?
Hustle,
Yeah?
for sure, yes. If you've tried our underwear, they're so comfortable. The most comfortable product we have, for sure.
I really like this one, like the spacing, but this looks too much like a penis. To be on underwear.
Oh, like the anatomy, like.
Yeah, like I'm like, you're gonna put that there, and if it ends up on the fly, it's gonna be a little on the nose.
How long did it take you to make all of these?
Well, I did a bunch of tests over the weekend because I was curious. I was antsy. Like the testing process took a while because I had to figure out the materials and like what worked best. But then when it came to kind of like I kind of knew what I wanted and how to best apply the paint, it took me maybe like an hour and a half in the morning to kind of get all the prints that I wanted. It's a pretty fast process to like get to kind of like 4 options that I knew I could scan in and like work with. Previous to fall 23, I drew and painted and did 100% of all of the prints and all of the socks.
Wow.
But this season we have Allie, who's great, and it's really nice to have more perspectives in the line.
Can I ask you which one of your designs you're most proud of? Is it hanging up here
Ooh,
somewhere?
yeah. I think if you want to follow me.
Yeah. Oh, it's got prime real estate in the conference room.
Yeah, prime real estate conference room. I really love the tigers.
Whoa.
I fought for that for a long time, and it's selling really well.
That's actually one of the first prints that I saw.
Oh, good. I love that. I also love if we can show Spring 23. I really love this fruit print, and it has the stickers with our logo on it.
Typically, socks come in, we check everything. This is what we use as we call these are noms.
It's a big foot.
They're like a foot, but it's flat. Here's our Hessel boxer brief.
Yes, I've heard a lot about these.
All the guys love them. And this one has the inner pouch to hold the goodies in there.
Yes. So, we had a chance to check out the Pride celebration at Rocco's WeHo. There were a few stars there like Jessica Alba, Fergie, myself. LA, it has been real. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel to keep up with the vlog and see everything that's happening at Pair of Thieves. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you soon. Oh, this is how you pass the cross check for sure.
We knew Rody would do this.
Even the microphone.